Learn CapCut video editing and content creation, absolutely free. 40 exclusive classes, Master AI-based video editing, FB ads, Reels, YouTube videos, and more. Get a free certificate and join our supportive Facebook community. From beginner to pro, all in one course. Course starts from August 1st. Enroll now and upgrade your creative skills. CapCut video editing suggestions. Scene plan 1. Scene 1, bold title animation, free CapCut editing course. Use animated text with zoom in effect. 2. Scene 2, show icons, CapCut, FB, Reels, YouTube. B-roll of someone editing on mobile. 3. Scene 3, text highlight, AI video editing, 40 classes, free certificate. Use bouncing or swipe text animation. 4. Scene 4, certificate markup or animation. Facebook group icon with join now tag. 5. Scene 5, closing text. Course starts August 1st. Enroll now with animated arrow, audio suggestions, background music, motivational or techno upbeat. Sound effects, whoosh, pop in, ding for emphasis. Video format, for YouTube, 16:9 landscape.